Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, today it's gonna be a fun day for me. I'm gonna be doing lines and stuff. Voiceover works. Yay! So how are you guys doing today? Huh? Anything fun? Put that in. Good. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing some lines, voiceover work, and then gonna do some other projects that I need to work. Why is it cold? Oh wait, the window's open. Man, it's really cold lately. Wow, it's really cold today. I'm starving too. I'll eat later. Yeah. So today's vlog is gonna be another short vlog. Short vlog, short vlog, short vlog, short vlog today. What? So yeah, pretty much it's gonna be short. Not much fun. It's gonna be happening today. I'm not gonna go out. I wish I could actually. So all day I'm gonna be doing all my projects and stuff. Yay! Update some pages from different sites. What else? Yeah. It's gonna be a long day. Fun. Yay. Alright, so I just finished my voiceover work. It's very small part. It's very short. I need to say like 3 or 4 lines. I had to redo them because you know, I'm still sick, and so I need to try to not sound unsick and try more emphasize to it, more energy to my lines. Yeah. So maybe the fan dubber. Well, actually, it's not a fan. Well, it's not a fan dub. It's actually the bridge. Will release soon. So I'm looking forward to it. Actually, can't wait to see it. And then once it's I'm sorry. I thought I wasn't recording. Did that once. I wasn't recording. I was like talking like 5 minutes, and then I realized I wasn't recording. Anyway, so I'll definitely put a link down when the video's out. Probably like February, I guess. I'm not sure. I read a script, and it looks pretty funny. It looks funny, hilarious, and I actually wanted to see the whole thing completed. Anyway, what was I going in? Oh yeah, food. I'm starving. Yeah. So, I gotta do some more lines for other people, but I'm not gonna do that until tomorrow. But yeah. My voice is still bad. Oh man. So I'm still. I can say I'm like 97%. Yeah, of my voice. It's still. Hold up. Mine, french fries. Mine. Oh, mine. Mine. My precious. My precious. My precious. My precious. My precious. Almost dropped it. 1 patty. 2 patty. 3 patty. 4, oh, not gonna fit. So cold. Why is it so cold? Because I love it. I'm not making any sense.
Long enough to get all the stabbings out of your system.
Watching Chuck.
That tells you
Yeah.
belongs to the most ruthless gang.
I missed yesterday's episode. Well, I didn't miss it because I was 92 and it was on yesterday. So. I love Hulu! I love Chuck! Best show ever! Alright, I gotta stop. Hey guys. Oh man, I got hiccups. Oh. Okay, hold on. Darn it! Okay, need to calm down more. Relax. And that's how you get rid of hiccups. And that's how you get rid of the hiccups. You need to be relaxed. Breathe slowly. Yeah. It works! So, yeah, that'll be all for today. I got things to do. It's Tuesday. What's today? What do I do on Tuesday? I don't know. Alright guys, I guess that's it for now. Until tomorrow guys. Tomorrow I know I'm gonna go out, hopefully. And yeah, and things gonna be fun. Yay! I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Right. Later guys.